Peace and blessings to you all. It's your boy Key Bruce, so that I'm back at you with another banger, man. This one is very simple, not too long. It was just a little video of a before and after of Headlight Restoration that I had did on a repeating customer's vehicle. If y'all been watching my videos and keeping up with me, you remember this Nissan. This was the one that I deep cleaned the interior. Well, they booked me to do their headlights. So, enjoy the video.
New money.
Now you see all that yellow haziness, that's what mess up the view, and the light don't shine like it's supposed to because that gets over hazy within time. So that's why you have to get your headlights restored and get them back to this. You see how crystal clear that is? Now those lights are gonna shine very bright. But when they're hazy and yellowish, like, no, it's not safe, and it make your car look ugly. So tap in if you're trying to get your headlights restored. New money. Voila. Don't forget to like, subscribe, pass it on, tell a friend, tell everybody, man. Y'all see what I'm trying to get. I'm trying to get to 10K or better. Once again, thank you all for watching. Peace to you all. Always remember, positive energy always creates elevation. One love.